So this is the Samsung Flip. Why is it called a Flip? It's a replacement for a traditional paper-based flip chart, and also the display itself flips on its stand. One of the key things about the Flip is its speed of use. It's incredibly responsive, very, very fast, very, very intuitive, and very easy to use. The next important feature of Flip itself is its portability. It comes on a rolling stand, which allows you to move it from room to room very, very simply. Next thing is how you actually get your content out. With a paper-based flip chart, people would tend to write their notes, everyone would get their phone out, take a picture. Well, now with the Flip itself, you can continue to write your notes and then export those directly to either a print server, to a network drive, a USB stick, or in fact, straight to email, and email those notes straight to everybody in the group and the meeting that we've had. The next thing as well is actually getting content in. You can bring content in very easily just using the import function, and I can use screen mirroring from an Android device, wireless screen sharing from a Windows 10 device, and also bring in content from a USB or a network drive. And that, in essence, is Flip.